Before I met Rosa, I'd say my life was pretty colorless. In reality, I was just, putting a mask to kind of deal with my life. And I needed to find a way to live because I was not living. So I did try different ways to cope. I saw a therapist. I was so afraid of what people would think because I had this image that I had to put forth to society, which was I was a good mom. I tried to drink a lot of juices, thinking that would help, but really, it never really got to the root of what it was that I was afraid of and really what it was that I needed to address and to accept in order to move on. This wonderful friend of mine kept trying to suggest that maybe if I went to go see Rosa, it would be a good starting point. So since I've met Rosa, it's almost like, it's incredible. It's even hard to put into words. I went from being completely low and so self-sabotaging and so scared. I lived in fear, like moment to moment. Every moment was full of fear. And now I don't live in fear, and I'm able to take these moments of chaos, which one just recently happened, which was pretty scary, and I was able to sit with it and to work through it. And there is no way I would have been able to do that 6 months ago without all the information and the experiences I've had in the last few months. So I honestly just think that I'm fighting myself, but I'm also becoming strong, and I'm becoming this person that can face things, because life is about having to deal with the chaos and the noise on a daily basis. And especially when things are really chaotic, the fact that I could show up, and I could show up as my real self and not the person that I think people think I should be. I actually am me, and I was able to do it with such grace. It's incredible. If I could tell people about this, and if I could really just get a message out there to especially all the people that have gone through what I'm going through or their own struggles, is that it can be done. When you say nothing's impossible and you kind of roll your eyes saying, yeah, sure, I've heard that before, it is so true. There is no way that I could have looked at myself 6 months ago and said, I am here, I am in this moment, it's beautiful, it's amazing. I would have laughed in your face. I thought that'd be impossible, but it is. If you do the work, and if you really, really embrace this journey as your life, and you take all the tools that are given to you, it is unbelievable what is going to happen to you. And I really wish that everyone that I loved in the world could come to this understanding, because it will change your life.